You want to fit in. You want people to like you. Why? You hang around with cripples, you learn how to limp. You understand what I'm saying? And most of the people that you hang around with are mental cripples. Because kids are not programmed for success. Why? Because your parents weren't successful. Kids don't do what parents tell them to do. They do what they see their parents do. Do you want your kids to grow up like the guys you hang with? Bill Gates doesn't hang. Elon Musk doesn't hang. Warren Buffett doesn't chill. Henry Ford didn't chill. Steve Jobs, who I knew, didn't chill. I don't chill. And the reason that you've been the way you are is because you're desperate to fit in, and your parents are going to be desperate to fit in. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. Some of you have a longer list of what you're not afraid of than what you're afraid of. Why? Because you saw what your parents were afraid of. You saw what your grandparents were afraid of. You saw what your older brother was afraid of. But there's only so much knowledge that you need. There's only so many people out there that are worth a shit. It's lonely at the top, kids. Warren Buffett only has one friend, Charlie Munger. Bill Gates has one friend, Melinda Gates. Steve Jobs had no friends. Ray Kroc had no friends. And look at you. Remember, self-esteem is built the first 7 or 8 years of life. When you're 6, 8 months old, unless you've got a dirty diaper, they're happy. Kids are happy. When they're 7 years old, they're still happy. Life expands and contracts with courage through pain. Being successful at anything. For those of you that played sports in high school or college or whatever, you know the better trained teams normally won. Best prepared teams normally won. How do you get prepared? Through practice, sweat, etc., right? Life, business, being an entrepreneur is no different. All-tap athletes, even singers and performers have coaches, mentors. Even Bill Gates has a mentor. You all know who it is, Warren Buffett. But, and this should make you feel better. I didn't put the slide in here to make you feel better. But the number one trait Warren Buffett, Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates all share, they're introverts, just like you. We have the lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. The lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. You get this? The lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. Money is free. Money is not the root of all evil. Poverty is the root of all evil. Do you surround yourself with those that are on the same mission as you? Probably not. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Remember, Bill Gates and all these people I just talked about, they don't hang. They don't fucking chill. You do not see Bill Gates at the Super Bowl. You will not see Elon Musk at the World Cup. Okay? Association is power. Look around you. You hang out with monkeys, your life becomes a fucking circus. The people that your immediate surround you now are weak, soft. Got to get rid of them. But most of you, the people that you're surrounded with, are not role models. They're negative role models. It's all in your hands.